Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dr. Catherine Explains Health. I'm Dr. Catherine, a nurse practitioner dedicated to helping you understand the science behind your health so you can make informed decisions that help you live a longer, healthier life. Today's topic is one that affects nearly every family. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Yet many of the foods that contribute to heart disease are eaten every single day. Foods that damage your heart without you realizing it. The surprising part is that these foods don't damage your heart overnight. The damage happens slowly, meal after meal, year after year, often without causing any symptoms until a heart attack or stroke occurs. Today, I'll not only show you which foods can increase your risk, but I'll also explain what they actually do inside your body. Understanding the science behind these foods will help you make healthier choices without feeling overwhelmed. Let's begin. Food number 1, processed meats. Our first food is processed meats. Examples include bacon, sausage, hot dogs, salami, pepperoni, deli meats. Many people enjoy these foods because they are convenient and flavorful. However, they often contain high amounts of sodium, saturated fat, and preservatives. What no one tells you is that when you eat too much sodium, your body retains extra water. That extra fluid increases the volume of blood flowing through your blood vessels, forcing your heart to pump harder. Over time, this contributes to high blood pressure, which can damage the delicate lining of your arteries. You need to know that processed meats are also rich in saturated fat. In many people, diets high in saturated fat can raise LDL cholesterol. LDL particles can enter damaged artery walls, where they become oxidized and trigger inflammation. White blood cells called macrophages engulf the cholesterol, forming foam cells and fatty streaks, the earliest stage of atherosclerosis or hardening of the arteries. As a nurse practitioner, I encourage patients to think of processed meats as an occasional food rather than an everyday staple. Replacing even a few servings each week with lean protein can benefit heart health over time. Better choices include fish, skinless chicken, beans, lentils, tofu.
Hi, I'm Dr. Catherine. Let's talk about foods that can damage your heart. Watch out for processed meats, sugary drinks, and fried foods. They raise blood pressure and cholesterol and cause inflammation. Choose leafy greens and berries to protect your heart. Remember, small choices like avoiding processed meats and sugary drinks can make a big difference.
Food number 2, sugary drinks. Yes, our next are sugary beverages. This includes soda, sweet tea, energy drinks, sweetened coffee beverages, fruit punches. Unlike whole fruit, sugary drinks deliver large amounts of rapidly absorbed sugar without fiber to slow digestion. This causes blood glucose to rise quickly, prompting the pancreas to release insulin. Over time, repeated spikes in blood sugar and insulin can contribute to insulin resistance, where the body's cells no longer respond efficiently to insulin. Excess sugar that isn't immediately used for energy is converted by the liver into fat, which can increase triglyceride levels and contribute to fatty liver disease. Elevated triglycerides are associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease. What you need to know is that many people don't realize that calories from beverages can add up quickly because they don't create the same feeling of fullness as solid foods. Choose water, unsweetened tea, sparkling water, naturally flavored water with fruit. Food number 3, highly processed snack foods. Let's talk about chips, crackers, packaged snack cakes, and many ultra-processed snack foods. Many ultra-processed snacks combine refined carbohydrates, sodium, and unhealthy fats in ways that encourage overeating. Refined carbohydrates are digested rapidly, leading to quick rises in blood sugar, followed by sharp drops that can increase hunger soon afterward. High sodium intake also contributes to increased blood pressure, while diets low in fiber may negatively affect the gut microbiome. Emerging research suggests that an unhealthy gut microbiome may promote inflammation, which is increasingly recognized as a contributor to cardiovascular disease. Instead of reaching for chips every afternoon, try fresh fruit, unsalted nuts, plain popcorn, vegetables with hummus. These foods provide fiber and nutrients that support heart health. Food number 4. Another food is deep oil, fried foods. Many people love fried chicken, French fries, and onion rings. But this is how deep oil fried foods contribute towards damaging your heart. Fried foods are often high in calories and can be rich in saturated fat, depending on the cooking method. Regularly consuming excess calories can lead to weight gain, and excess body fat, particularly around the abdomen, is associated with higher risks of hypertension, insulin resistance, and cardiovascular disease. Repeatedly heating cooking oils, especially in commercial fryers, can also degrade the oil and produce compounds that may contribute to oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage blood vessel lining and promote inflammation involved in atherosclerosis. Instead of greasy fried foods, making the following changes as: one of the easiest changes is switching from deep frying to air frying, baking, grilling, roasting. You still enjoy the flavor while reducing excess fat. Food number 5, restaurant portions. Sometimes the problem isn't just what we eat, it's how much. Large portions often mean consuming more calories, sodium, and added fats than your body needs. Excess calories that are not used for energy are stored as body fat. Over time, excess body weight increases the workload on the heart and contributes to conditions such as high blood pressure, sleep apnea, and type 2 diabetes, all major risk factors for cardiovascular disease. What you can do when dining out are: share meals, take half home, order vegetables first, eat slowly so your brain has time to recognize fullness. Food number 6, bakery desserts, such as cookies, cakes, pastries, donuts, and sweet baked goods are delicious, but best enjoyed in moderation. Remember that these foods often contain a combination of added sugars and saturated fats. Frequent consumption can contribute to elevated blood sugar, weight gain, and unfavorable cholesterol patterns. Persistently elevated blood glucose may damage the inner lining of blood vessels, while excess calories increase the risk of obesity and metabolic disease. You can do the following when cravings strike. Choose fruit most days and reserve rich desserts for special occasions rather than daily habits.
These deep oil fried and greasy high-fat foods but they are dangerous later. They clog your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. Instead, choose healthier alternatives like air-fried, baked, or steamed foods. Love your heart, choose wisely, and live well.
Food number 7, fast food. Fast food offers convenience, but convenience often comes with hidden nutritional costs. Try to know that many fast food meals contain large amounts of sodium, saturated fat, and refined carbohydrates. Regularly eating these foods can contribute to high blood pressure, elevated LDL cholesterol in susceptible individuals, insulin resistance, and weight gain. These factors often occur together, increasing the risk of heart attack and stroke. You can do the following. If you eat fast food, choose grilled instead of fried. Replace fries with a side salad or fruit if available. Skip sugary drinks. Watch portion sizes. Small decisions repeated consistently can make a significant difference. Heart protective foods. Now let's end on a positive note. Many foods actively support heart health. These include leafy green vegetables, berries, oats, beans, lentils, salmon, sardines, walnuts, almonds, olive oil, avocados. These foods are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. Soluble fiber can help lower LDL cholesterol by reducing its absorption in the intestine. Omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish may help reduce triglycerides and support normal heart rhythm. Antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation that can damage blood vessels. Conclusion: remember, heart disease doesn't begin with one unhealthy meal, and better health doesn't come from one healthy meal. It's the choices we make consistently over months and years that shape our future. You don't have to change everything at once. Start with one small improvement this week. Replace one sugary drink with water. Choose grilled instead of fried, or add an extra serving of vegetables to your dinner. Small changes, repeated consistently, can lead to lasting improvements in your heart health. As a nurse practitioner, my goal is not only to tell you what to do, but also to help you understand why these choices matter. When you understand the science, you are empowered to make decisions that protect your heart for years to come. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to take better care of their heart. I'm Dr. Catherine, and thank you for watching Dr. Catherine Explains Health. I'll see you in the next video.